So the next phase of our patio is starting today. I'm super excited. This is going to be our pizza oven. I know the sun's really bright, but there we go. Can you see it? That's gonna be where our pizza oven goes. Yay! I wanted to show you updated progress on our barbecue / pizza oven area. So that's the barbecue, the grill will go there, and then there's countertop, and this is where the pizza oven is gonna go up here. So I wanted to give y'all an update on the pizza oven. It's almost done. Just need some final touches to make it look pretty and to finish the countertop. Good morning, friends. I wanted to show you our barbecue / pizza oven that is finally done. Here is this part up here is the oven. Down here is gonna be where wood goes. So here is the patio furniture that we added, and I can't wait to have some pizza parties and friends over. All right, so I'm starting the curing process for our pizza oven. Little fire first. We just let it go out, and then tomorrow will be a bigger fire. So we got all the curing done, we hope, and we are going to attempt pizza today. So we've got the fire going. It's like crazy hot. Let me scoot back. I can't wait. I'll show you if it turns out. If not, we're ordering Little Caesars. All right, here goes my pizza. There it is. Oh my goodness, it's only gonna take like 90 seconds, John? Happy Saturday. So we had a giant pizza party last night because we had to test out our oven again, and it is bright and early, and check out the temperature. It is still well over 400. So we got breakfast. We're doing some monkey bread. All right, here it goes. It's so hot. Okay, so I think it's done. It is totally bubbly and gooey. Oh, it smells amazing out here. You walk out the back door and it just smells like cinnamon monkey bread. Oh, since it's still hot, we're making homemade bread, and we thought, why not add some bacon? Because the bacon will go good with the monkey bread in a little bit. Here comes the bread. Oh my goodness, look at that. If you guys were here, you would just die. It smells so good out here. So just a quick peek outside. Here is our movie screen. I got the screen on Amazon, so hopefully it's big enough. Then we've got our pizza fire going, just waiting to get hot enough in there. And then the fun place where the kids are gonna sit to watch the movie. So if I haven't sold y'all on having your own pizza oven, we fired it up this morning after we made cinnamon rolls in it from our pizza party last night, but we fired it up again this morning and made breakfast pizzas out of leftover dough. Holy cow, y'all. Okay, so here it is. I'm about to dig in, but it's pizza dough with some olive oil, some cooked sausage, breakfast sausage, an egg, and some Colby Jack cheese, and topped with green onions after it came out of the pizza oven.